All right, I have a harsh truth for you guys today. And if you think lead generation is just about getting more leads, then you're already losing. Now, when I started, I focused on numbers, more emails, more DMs, more ads, more effort. But here's what I found out the hard way: not all leads are created equal. And most of you, what you've been taught about lead generation specifically, just throw it away. It's outdated, it's overpriced, and just wrong. All right, so stay with me in this video because I'm going to break down exactly what's working in lead generation right now today. How to get clients without spamming, without begging, and without wasting money or time. All right, most leads are just ghosts. You need actual buyer's intent. Leads, that not necessarily means clients. Now, I've had lists of 10,000 leads that converted worse than small, high quality lists of 500. If you're chasing numbers instead of quality, you're burning up time and your money. So, what I do actually that is different now than when I started is focus on buyers who already have the need. I ask the right questions before I even engage. I look for signs that they're ready to buy, not just borrowing or browsing. Instead of chasing random cold leads, I build up relationships with the right people. Now, a lot of people think this, and it's about cold outreach. They think it's dead, but it's not. It's just changing up a little bit. So people say that cold emails and cold DMs, they just don't work. But that's false. They work if you know how to do them properly. But the problem is most outreach is robotic, like the platforms that you use, right? And they're super spammy and they just sound like everyone else and you just want to skip them. But what I do it differently by sending custom messages, not copy paste templates. And I don't just send one message and then give up. No. I follow up multiple times because most deals, they don't close on the first contact. You got to warm them up. You got to let them know that it's not just something easy that you're just going to give up on and not personalize it. So, this is why I always say that social media is very important if you do it right, because it's this automatic lead magnet, right? Or it's losing you clients if it's not done properly. Your social media is doing one of two things, I'd say. It's either A, bringing you in clients, or like I said, it's pushing them away. So if someone looks at your profile and can't immediately tell what you do different and why, then you're gone. Now, I make sure my social profiles clearly show what I offer. I post content that teaches, not just sells. And when someone interacts with my content, I reach out to them first because they're already warm leads. They're already interested. Now, another thing, if you're not using AI, you're falling behind. AI isn't the future of lead generation. It's already here, right? Some people, they're just spending hours searching for leads manually while I'm automating half the process, but still keeping it humanized and warm and using the personality to actually reach out. So I'm not going to be wasting time chasing people. I'll use that AI generated content to personalize my outreach at scale. See, now the follow up game, that's where the money is made. That's why I'm such an advocate on following up with automation, especially if you know things about your prospect, because you can personalize that automation. Most leads, they don't convert right away. If you're not following up, you're leaving money behind or even on the table at the deal when you could be getting so much more. You deserve more. I used to give up way too soon, and it cost me thousands. Not just money, something that's more valuable, that's my time, right? So now I just set reminders to follow up multiple times, whether it's automation or actually adding that human touch, like I said. And then I'll use different channels: email, LinkedIn, even a voice recording or a little personalized video, because it helps you stay on their mind and stay on their radar and know that you're not just going to give up. Also, tracking things, specifically engagement, so that way I know when a lead is actually ready to buy instead of just guessing. So now you know the old way of lead generation, that's dead. Leave it there. On to better things. Now the new way is about quality, intent, and then automation, right? But don't take my word for it. Do it for yourself. Do some research. And then do it. Follow up on it. What's the biggest challenge, I guess you would have to say, that you faced in your lead generation campaigns or your processes? Drop a comment down below. I want to hear what you have to say. I hope this video helped because I've been through a lot of these struggles and I want to be there for you guys so you don't make the same mistakes. So that way you can get ahead of me way quicker. I'm about here bringing value. So I want to keep on building and I'll see you in the next video. Hope it helped.